Challenge 40, day 11, or whatever day you may be on, but if you've been going along with me this whole journey, we're in day 11. Therefore, do not be anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Sufficient for the day is its own trouble. This comes from Matthew 6:34. Again, therefore, do not be anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Sufficient for the day is its own trouble. Challenge 40, whatever's on your heart, my challenge to you is to pray for 40 days and 40 nights. Please get back to me with what happens if you take this challenge. Again, as I've stated many times over and over again, this is something I've taken upon myself, but decided to do videos to see if I could help one, two, maybe three other people. It would well be worth it and help me in my ministry and help me with what I'm praying to the Lord for, that He needs to put on my plate and for me to take forward as I continue my walk with Him. Thank you. Have a good evening.